It's me, Bree, and I'm back. I know it's been a minute. It's been a hot minute, but listen. December was a very, very trying month. Let's just say this year is going to be a lot better than last year. Hopefully. Nope, it is. I'm claiming it. It's going to be better. As you can see, my hair. This is an update, by the way. Hair color about to change in a month or so. Why not update y'all on that as well? You know, while I have you. Oh, if you're new, welcome to my channel, my life. Subscribe, you know, it's free. I'm gonna be uploading more frequently, I promise, once I get my life in track. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, you know, so you won't miss on these random videos, because I'm very random if you haven't noticed. So, my hair. Changing the color again. I know I just colored my hair. I know, but I'm kind of over this dusty. It looks dusty right now because it's not moisturized or nothing. I kind of tried to do something, as you can see. But yeah, I'm already over this color. And I left on with the little red, purple. I don't know what color, because listen, it's time for it to go. So, I know what color I'm doing, but I'm going to tell y'all because I want you to be surprised. I'm getting it colored February. I'm getting it colored next month. I'm trying to fade this color out as much as I can naturally before resorting to it. If I have to use bleach, then it is what it is. I did my research on the internets, and I didn't discover. I've seen this before. I just never tried it. I don't think I ever tried this. I don't know. So I went to Dollar General because I feel like going to Walmart. Picked up some vitamin C pills and some shampoo. Some sulfates of the sulfateous shampoo that they make. The triple nutrition. I guess that don't matter what kind, because it's got a bunch of sulfates in it. I'm trying to strip my color naturally without using bleach. I thought about doing color remover, but I don't want to do that because I don't want to do that. Not yet, anyway. This first. This vitamin C pills and this shampoo concoction. Now, right now I'm rambling, so yeah, let's go on to my hair concoction. Wish me luck. So I'm done applying my concoction. I didn't use it all. Not like that much left. Y'all can't see that. It's not a lot, but I didn't use it all. So yeah, it stinks. I think it's the vitamin C. The shampoo smells good. I think it's the vitamin C. To crush them, I used the food processor because I ain't had time to go hammer it. I ain't got time for that. Take the food processor, chop them on up, put them in the bowl, put in the shampoo. I use a lot, actually. I use like almost half the bottle because I have a lot of hair. Let this sit. I don't know how long, but let it sit. I'm gonna use a plastic cap and my bonnet. It's kind of silly in the heat. I don't know. We gonna see. Hopefully this works. All right, I'll be back once I take all of this or wash it out. I'm gonna come back before I wash it out, and then after I wash it out, see how I look. If it doesn't look like I want, we're gonna do it again, and I might add a pinch of baking soda just to see what it's gonna look like. All right, I'll be back. So it is clearly the next day. So I kind of fell asleep in the shampoo vitamin C mixture. It wasn't on purpose. I promise it wasn't on purpose. But yeah, I fell asleep and slept in it. And yeah, I washed it out this morning. And I did see a difference. Like when I washed it, I was rinsing it out. I saw purple, like all the purple dye or hair color that I used. So all the purple hair color just washing away in the sink. Just going down the drain. I was like, okay, something's working. And so I instantly put deep conditioner. I use Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil deep conditioner. And I haven't looked at it yet. I want to do this together to see if it worked. So fingers crossed. You ready? All right, let's see. Drum roll. I mean, I guess it's lighter. I guess it's a little bit lighter than what it was. It's not red anymore, I guess. Let me see. I don't know. The purple was coming out. It might have worked. I'm not sure. We're gonna see when it dries. Yeah, I guess there's a difference. Kinda, sorta. It wasn't a fail. A complete fail, that's for sure. Oh, this is Red Moscato, by the way. Basic, don't judge me. I don't know how I'm gonna style it. I think I'm going to do 2 braids. Going back, it's gonna be a long week this week, and I feel like styling my hair or doing my hair, so I might just do my braids. So yeah, this is my hair before. And this is after. Let me know if y'all see a difference. Maybe I'm not seeing it. Maybe you guys will see it because I see my hair every day. So maybe you guys, somebody will see a difference. That is it for this video. Thank you for joining me on this crazy but fun journey. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends, family, all that jazz. And I will see y'all next time.